Hi, welcome to Unit 4, Online Learning Tools. My name is Miracle David and I am an instructional designer with National Open University of Nigeria. I am going to discuss this topic in 3 parts. So you will receive 3 videos in this unit. By now, you have an idea of how online learning works and the many concepts involved in it. This time, we'll be looking at the tools that make learning via the internet possible. You will agree with me that the approach used in the development and delivery of instruction in a normal face-to-face classroom setting, or traditional setting as it's often called, may not be efficient for online learners. Thanks to the rise of new technologies and several innovations, learning online has taken a new turn, and the way the content is being developed and delivered have also not been left out on this move. Although developing online learning materials from scratch or repurposing existing materials to suit the online learning space can be both resource and time consuming, the exciting news is that the continuous development and innovations in technology has made the task more interesting, simplified, time-saving, and less stressful. It is important to note that some of these tools can be used by anybody. All you need is the basic design, computer skills, and knowledge in selecting the right resource. Hence, we're discussing OERs. Once you have this, you're good to go. If you're proficient in the use of text editors like Microsoft Word and presentation tools like Microsoft PowerPoint, you are ready to begin your first project. Analyzing, designing, and integration of multimedia in instructional materials are the primary assignment of instructional designers and instructional technologists. However, if you find yourself in the position where you need to package an instructional material for online learning, the knowledge of the tools that you will learn in this unit and their primary functions will come in handy. The list of the tools you can make use of is almost an endless one, but it can be divided into many categories based on their uses and how they affect the development phase of instructional materials. To give a broad idea of these tools, while staying within the scope of the general lesson, the tools will be listed and explained under 2 categories, namely authoring tools and delivery tools. Before we proceed, it is important to discuss one of the tools that function both as an authoring and delivery tool. Can you take a wild guess? You're right, it's the learning management system. In the most basic sense, a learning management system is a software built primarily to organize and manage online learning. So it serves as a virtual class, that is, the delivery tool, and as a platform for content creation, that is, the authoring tool. There are a lot of LMSs on the internet today. Some are free, open source, while some are built by individuals or companies and offered to users at certain rates. Some of the popular ones are Moodle, Blackboard, Edmodo, Google Classroom, SumTotal Systems, Cornerstone, Schoology, Desire to Learn, amongst others. So, how does it function as an authoring and a delivery tool? On an open source LMS like Moodle, which we use here at the National Open University of Nigeria, you can edit existing text and create new ones while integrating multimedia in them using the inbuilt rich text editor. Create short introductory videos of not more than 2 minutes while on the platform and record audios as well. On the delivery part of the Moodle LMS, it serves as the classroom itself. Course materials in various supported formats, instructional videos, discussion forums, charts, quizzes. This includes multiple choice, short answers, true or false, essay, drag and drop types, video conferencing software, and many others can be put in an online course domiciled on the same LMS, and learners can access and interact with these resources anywhere and on any device of their choice, thanks to the responsive design of Moodle. So many functionalities for just one software, right? Another interesting fact is that it falls among those tools that you really do not need to have extreme skills to use. Yes, Moodle and other LMSs are simplified in such a way that anybody can make use of them with just a little guide. You only require programming skills when you wish to make technical modifications on the platform. Other than that, you're good to go. With all that said, do you remember the categories listed earlier? In the next video, we will look at the tools that fall under them.